Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. So this is a nice little teaching lesson. This is a great little pattern to watch for. So if you put it on the GAN projections and you get something like this, you see we have lower low in price action, higher low in the RSI, so we have a divergence and it didn't get to the next cluster area. Didn't get to the next key level, which if it's still weak it would have. That's a great time to start watching for a rebound to the rotation zone. So it's not a long-term buy, but it could be a short-term little play or help you reestablish your position. Coming up here, went to the prior GAN level, this 889.81, so essentially 9,000. Upper in the rotation zone right now is sitting at about 9,100. So that's the key level we'll be watching on the 4-hour chart. A move above there, and we'll start watching for a return first to about 9,400, then 9,500. Those are the two key levels. To be exact, it's about 93.86. I'm just rounding, and 94.88 because more people will focus on the round numbers. So let's take a look at the daily. I've updated these levels. So if we get below 85.40, we're then looking for 82.95, then 80.50 to 79.69. Let's take a look on a stronger rally. I'm really going to be focused on the 9,300 level based off the daily chart. We have the first cross rotation zone, and that's where this little support shelf was and the rotation zone is. If we get through that, about 9,500 on the daily. So 4-hour and daily both have a key level, 9,500. So that's a very key level on a stronger rally. We did get some volume coming in on this bar, but it was an inside bar. And actually, I don't think it was. I think we're missing a tail. No, it was not exactly an inside bar, but it's more of a pausing bar. So let's see if it can get above this 9,000 level tomorrow, and then we'd be looking for a slight rally. Switching over to Ethereum, again, same pattern here. Lower low in price action, higher low RSI, didn't get to the next level. That's a great indicator that we're going to have at least a very short-term rally to the rotation zone. Rally to the rotation zone, rotating back down. It's sort of pausing here at this 224 level, GAN level. Key level to watch for is 238.25. Get above there, we'll start watching for 245 to 248 level. Let's switch to the daily chart. Let's take a look at this. So you see here coming in with the 50-day moving average. If we get below this 211, we'll start watching for 201, then 191 to the downside. Major resistance. Now we don't have the first cross yet on the daily, but major resistance at this 246 area. So in any rally, really watch 246. If we did get through there, I'd start focusing on 267 again, but that 246 level is going to be some pretty strong resistance. So we have for you on Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.